Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and I am really excited to show you that I actually have 45 flats of plants available for sale during the Spring Open Garden on Saturday, May 7th from noon to 4 p.m. So let me flip this camera around so you can see all that we will have for offering. So starting over here, I'm super excited to tell you I have Prunus Mumes. I have 4 trays of Prunus Mumes, $5 a piece. It's gonna be an awesome deal. I know they're small, that's why they're so cheap. You can pot them up or keep them in these pots for the summer and plant them in the fall. The Prunus Mumes are so hard to come by, and here you have a nice selection from my garden. I have 3 garden phlox, bright eyes. I have a bunch of different peppers. Here we've got early jalapeno. I have 3 different eggplants. This is Paloma. Over here, I just watered everything. We have Nadia. And over there, we have Ping Tung Long. Now, tomato-wise, we have a lot of varieties. Dr. White. Let's see, what's here? Indigo blueberries, Peche, a lot of peppers too. So there's Big Red, this is Shishito, right here is Brazilian Starfish. This tomato is, no, not Ms. America, that is Vintage Wine. Here we have Green Zebra, Black Crim, 2 varieties of downy mildew resistant basil. Here is Rutgers Obsession and there is Rutgers Devotion. These tomatoes, Ukrainian Purple, Orange Icicle, Pork Chop, White Tomaso, 10 Fingers of Italy, Berkeley Pink Tie-Dye, Cherokee Purple, Gold Medal, cream sausage. We have some Mexican sour gherkin cucumbers. Giraffe, my favorite long storage variety. Right here is actually cumin. We have some dill. We even have some flax. And then over here, I have mixed 4-packs of the Treasure Island sweet potatoes. Those are going to be $10 a 4-pack, or individual varieties, $5 a pot. So basically everything is $5 a pot except for the mixed 4-packs, which are going to be $10 for a 4-pack. I only have 2 days home between now and the open garden, so getting this done today was really important to me. Got everything potted, everything is fertilized, both with powder Dr. Earth and liquid Dr. Earth. So I know that by the time May 7th comes, all these plants will really be up and growing fast, and they'll be ready to be transplanted into your gardens. So I hope that you'll be able to attend on May 7th from noon to 4 p.m. Remember, it's rain or shine, free, no registration. And we will have a food truck on site, so you can come and plan to eat, and of course stroll the gardens where hopefully all of this larkspur and all the poppies will be in full bloom. I think that we are pretty much right on schedule for a really fantastic show. Well, I look forward to seeing you at the Spring Open Garden, and I thank you all so much for your support and your interest, and thanks so much for watching.